Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a gadget that might just be the ultimate portable companion for your digital life. Charge, a company known for its retro-inspired chargers and transparent batteries, has finally caught my attention with its latest creation, the Charge Disc Pro 2. But is it worth the hype? Imagine a tiny gadget, no bigger than a deck of cards, that transforms into a powerhouse for your devices. It's not just a simple SSD, it's a 4K HDMI dock, USB-C hub, and a magnetic sidekick for your iPhone or Android. This little device is like a Swiss Army knife for your tech setup, and it's got some tricks up its sleeve. One of the standout features is its built-in MagSafe-like magnets. You can stick it to your phone, making it a sleek, portable storage solution. But that's not all, it also adds an HDMI output, USB-A port, SD card readers, and USB-C pass-through charging. It's like having a mini IT department in your pocket. Personally, I love how it simplifies my setup, especially when I'm on the go. Now, let's talk performance. While it's not the fastest SSD on the market, it still delivers impressive speeds. With a budget SSD, I was hitting write speeds around 700 megabytes per second, which is no joke. But what's even more impressive is its versatility. It works with a wide range of devices, from laptops to the Nintendo Switch 2, and even supports 4K 60 ProRes video recording on iPhones. This level of compatibility is a game-changer for content creators and gamers alike. However, there are a few quirks to consider. The power requirements can be a bit tricky, especially with the Ultra model, which needs careful power management. And while it works with the Nintendo Switch, there's a noticeable delay, and some features like VRR don't function as expected. These are minor drawbacks, but they show that Charge still has some refining to do. What I appreciate about the Disc Pro 2 is how they've addressed previous design flaws. The original Charge Disc was bulky and noisy, and the Disc Plus had its own magnet-related issues. But with the Disc Pro 2, they've improved the design significantly. The built-in magnets, detachable cable, and better airflow make it a much more user-friendly experience. It's a testament to Charge's willingness to listen to feedback and evolve their products. In my opinion, the Charge Disc Pro 2 is a significant step forward for the company. It's not perfect, but it's a versatile, innovative solution for anyone looking to streamline their tech setup. At its Kickstarter price, it's an attractive deal, especially considering Charge's track record for delivering on their promises. So, if you're in the market for a portable SSD with a twist, this might just be the gadget for you. Stay tuned for more tech adventures, and remember, the devil is in the details when it comes to these innovative gadgets.